Put the brackets 2 and 3 first. Assemble on the upper side rack. Put the number 1 bracket directly on it. Then put the side frame on it too. Put the lower end of the number 1 bracket, 2 screws on, no need to lock. Put brackets 1, 2, and 3, adjusted to fit. Remove the side frame. Mark the position of bracket 1 with a marker. It is glued on the number 1 bracket. Apply adhesive aid in place. Tear off the double-sided tape of the number 1 bracket. Apply a sponge to the toe-hooks of the bracket. Align mark affix bracket. Install bracket 2. Compare the location first. The number 2 bracket needs to be glued. Apply adhesive aid to the position. Tear off the double-sided tape of the number 2 bracket. Before installing bracket number 2, first put 2 number 1 brackets. Screw a little first. Then fix and adjust the number 2 bracket. Glue on bracket number 3. Position coating adhesive. Tear out the number 3 bracket double-sided tape. Just install the good hole directly. Similarly, tear out the double-sided tape on the back of the number 4 bracket. Just paste it on the good hole. Remove the side frame after the bracket is attached. Press all the brackets tightly. Put the side frame back. Just lock the screws. No gaskets or pads required. Apply a sponge to the contact surface of the reinforced bracket. Finally, install the reinforcement bracket. Align the middle hole of the side frame. Just tighten the 3 screws.